warning for Molokai in Molokai County in Hawaii until 7:45 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles west of Kipui to 21 miles southeast of Hanauma Bay to 26 miles southeast of Nia Valley, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ho'olehu, Mauna Loa, Kualapu'u, Kalaupapa National Park, Kamalo, Punakakai, Kipui, and Molokai Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
All right.